Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Barclays to Monzo. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, we'll be showing you how to do this via the online banking way in Barclays. So first thing you want to do is you need to go to the home page and click pay next to the account you want to use. Now from then, choose who you're paying. So if it's someone new, add their full name, account details, and the amount. Now in this case, make sure that you provide the Monzo account details. Now from there, add a payment reference, something that shows it's from you. So some payments need your PIN entry, card reader, or mobile PIN entry for approval. So just follow the on-screen instructions and you should be good. Now once you're sure the payment details are right, you can save them for the next time. And lastly, click on the complete payment to confirm it. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.